Hello, my name is Matt. I'm the creator of NewGem wraps. Today, we're going to show you how to make a vegan luau sandwich with our applewood smoked tomato wrap. For this recipe, you will need baby spinach, carrots, red onions, green onions, red bell pepper, firm tofu, pineapple, vegan teriyaki sauce. After assembling, just wet the edge, roll, and cut. And there you have it. And that's how you use NewGem wraps. Thank you for your interest in NewGem foods. Be sure to tag us. We'd love to see your delicious creations.